Alden, my guy. Brandon, my guy. Brandon Don. The wheels are on. Everybody else is here. We are going to Dream Ride car show. It's a big car show. Pulling up with a gang out here. Got Break My Wallet right there. Came in Crusader. Yes, sir. Y'all know if y'all know. My man Thomas. Nice single turbo. E46 M3. Mandu brother. And then another Mandu brother. Nice, I believe, F10 M5. Wrapped in a very nice color. Couple Camaros. No Tint Tony. Track Toy. No one.
Look, it's cool. Tank is back there.
Hello, sir.
Hey, what's up,
Habibi.
guys? Number 4,799 here. Birdor 32, coming at you live from
Waterbury.
undisclosed Mexico location. Yeah.
Cover all the signs in the back.
Tiger mark, more like lizard mark.
Yeah. Alden Z46. Austin's Ducati. E36 M3. The Instagram car itself. Got Jack's E34 right here. And Pierce. You know we love a good V-dub out here. Dean bringing out the classics. Homeboy just got his Corrado repainted. Some nice rare BT wheels on it. Yes, everybody, the wing works. Okay. Yanks. Always clean. Harrison. Z01. Yep, Z01. And another F80. This is a nice color E46 M3. I don't know the name of this color, to be honest with you, but it looks really good. It's got cinnamon interior too. Real nice. It's a good group tonight. I'm fucking shot. That's how you know I haven't had breakfast. And the last person we waited for, Jonah. Ooh. Hey man, you look cute on that thing. You keep being cute. Alright, we're out of here. Is that Yanks?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Big fan. Big fan.
Love the car, bro.
Big
Love
fan.
the car.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah. Oh. Kill switch. Get got. I'll shut off his car. I'm glad I didn't stop recording. We both went. Oh, never mind.
That was fucking.
That was great. Oh yeah, we ready. We finally made it. Yeah, that's a good question. Where are we gonna start? Because there's so much good shit out here. Yeah. Brandon with his nice little point and shoot. Yeah. Pagani's will forever be my favorite hypercar. I wish we got Zondas in the US, but we didn't get Zondas unless like you imported them or you have money. All right, Brennan, real quick, explain the BS we had to deal with today coming here. All right. So. Yay tall grass, right? Thick, right?
Grass. You could see it over the dash frame. Dude, it would fold.
It was like Jack putting on the shift knob. The branches were just bang, bang, bang.
It was
all
like
under
small
trees.
trees.
Yeah, so homeboys pulled up to the wrong parking lot. and we were pissed, and we were literally crying and so angry because we were cutting through grass like about that high. Shut up. Yankovsky?
Am I gonna make it on YouTube?
Huh?
I said, am I gonna make it on
Yeah,
YouTube?
you're gonna make it on YouTube, bro. I'm gonna put his IG handle. His IG handle like right down here. Right down here. Yo, Trey, you gonna cop one of these, bro?
Yeah, I'm asking my dad to let me use his credit card right now.
Alright, sit rep now confirmed. From that Blue Rolls Royce to this GT3. It's a guy in CT called Michael Fuchs. These are all of his cars, and he likes to get really nice colors, so that's pretty cool. But this GT3 is super nice. Got Brandon in his element. Let's see how many photography fails can we run into today.
I think we managed to get a lot of points today, which is important. And
Well,
You know what OMP stands for?
Say what?
You know what OMP stands for?
What? Other than it's the.
Oh, my penis is about to fall off.
Okay.
I did hear that before.
nobody can stop you winning this race.
So I gotta cut that one out. So what you think about this GT3 RS, Matt?
This guy fucks. This guy fucks so hard. Look at the tire. Look at the wheels.
Got Hoosiers.
Look at the spec. We're stopping one today, bro. It's a good day.
Managing everything this whole weekend.
Yeah. He got new LMs on it too. Nice Mark V. Shout out to this owner. Pretty clean.
We're gonna stop at Starbucks to pick up
Joe G.
So appreciative for
Holding it
every
down.
dollar donated. Thank you all for being a part of that. If you would like to make a donation today, you can
So
always
nice.
text DreamRide365 to 411.
Make sure you share all your photos with us.
This is an A4, the 27T swap out of an S4. A lot of custom bodywork. LMs. I love these cutouts right here. Very nice car.
Still got a whole tablet.
Got a whole tablet. Not lying.
She got some montage clips.
Yeah.
Bag.
Yep.
Before we head out, Chris is gonna take care of that.
90 M5 over there. This is super. Nice RS3. So this right here is better than F80. Where's?
Give me an RS3.
Yup.
Look at the interior.
I don't like that comment.
Chris, thank you so much.
So what? So, yeah, exactly. Look at that.
We couldn't do this without you.
I feel safe, and thank you to all the officers.
Clean RS6 right here. Thomas. Alden, the gang again. Oh.
Did you hear me? I wasn't really looking for one. I can't tell my apartment.
Respect and love a good Mustang. Really clean. Never seen one of these before.
At this point, it's hard.
McLaren Alva. No, this thing is crazy. Like Koenigsegg engineering, bro. Wow, this is a manual and an auto. Let's see if you can catch that. Yep. See if you slam it all the way to the right, you have an auto, but in the middle, you got a 6-speed. pretty cool. I like Koenigsegg. Yeah, literally. I know. I want one of those so bad. Unpopular opinion, I like that more than a Huracan.
What's up, guys? Birdo32.
You're supposed to answer that question, dummy, not say your
Number
stupid spiel.
4,799.
Okay. What do you think,
In
Brandon?
my opinion,
Would you? Okay.
the A3S line is the same.
Brandon, we're gonna go back to you and ask for your reasoning on that. I like that is better than a Huracan Gallardo. What do you think?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. You disagree? Why?
I like the styling of a Huracan more.
Okay.
I don't know. I really like that body style.
I respect it.
I will say,
I like how
the
small they
Gallardo
are.
has a special presence because, well, for me, because it is a childhood dream car, right?
Yeah,
You
Yeah.
always saw on top of you always hear the exhaust sounds like, oh my god, that's a fucking sick car, right? However, if you see a Huracan pull up on you on the highway, and you see the headlights just looking like an angry fucking bull, you're like, yeah, I'm gonna get out of the way for you.
I agree with that.
For that
I
reason,
agree with that.
I prefer the Huracan.
Fuck the Huracan. Gen 1 or Gen 2 Gallardo?
Remember, there was the 5-liter and the 5.2.
I like the Gen 1. I do like the Gen 1.
Yeah, Brandon likes the
Gentleman and a scholar.
Brandon likes the Gen 1 more than the Gen 2s.
Such a
yo,
good
this guy, bro.
Such a good guy, bro. Such a good day, bro. Get this man a raise. Stop playing.
Yo, SCP sold, bro.
I'm gonna tag him right here. Psych! I'm not gonna tag him. Look at that.
This fucking color too, bro.
Classic Mark 1 Gallardo. This Brandon's poster car right there.
Bro, look at this, bro. Like, this is perfect.
You don't even have to do much to them.
You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, like I feel like I'm gonna say it again. Like as high class people go, I feel like they have terrible taste in wheels sometimes. Like they just go with really gaudy wheels. But that's just me personally.
That is nice.
Another Mark 1 Gallardo. Manuel. Nice silver. And we got the Ferrari corner over here. Ferrari, the Ferrari.
It's got to be upwards of $300. This one right here.
F12 Tour de France. It's a nice yellow. Real nice spec. I've always loved these.
The yellow accents on the interior look really good too.
Let's see,
Oh,
let's
what
see.
was like that rear?
Yeah. Oh, can't really see much of the glass.
You can see so much of the interior from this bridge.
Yeah, the rear on these things I've loved so much. And its successor right over there. So hot. Jesus. But she held it down today, as always. I think so nice. Well, that's a wrap for the end of the day. That's probably the last good show I'd probably head out for the season. On like a next series or episodes, probably I'll definitely be tearing this thing down during the wintertime, fall season-ish. Maybe a couple shows in between. I know there's some in Yukon and some other like Halloween themed events. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for more. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.